together or separate, against crime or for it. Menace to society, label at one time I wore it. My thoughts lie dormant in a fast-paced moment. Track race a slow opponent to guarantee victory. I'm so happy, I think I found my niche finally. When creating art, my uncertainties eat away at me. Can it be? It was all so simple back then. A little kid playing dodgeball with all of your friends. Now life's about making ends meet at least halfway. Living stage is your last, sounds so cliche to say. Everybody know they may not see life after today. The energy in my life force makes one of the way. So I'ma live like graffiti, make my mark if it kills me. Not guilty, I'm a perfectionist at his worst. My life's length verse will be over-rehearsed. I'm shackled to time, this is my convict verse.
This earth, my words won't free as a bird.